My wife is in the shower right now.
Just for a guy, so yay!
Literally, we're gonna have to go to the hospital right now. It's serious. What's happening?
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
The island boy there.
And no island boy.
Yeah.
And the reason why is because we are going to the hospital today.
And today could be the day.
Today could be the day actually. It is almost 3 o'clock. And babe should step on the gas a little bit. So the good thing is yes, I am getting induced. But the problem is I'm not feeling the very bestest. I do have a cold. I've been coughing a lot the last couple of nights. The weather has changed tremendously here from really cold to really hot in such a small amount of time. So I've just been, not the best in regards to health wise, because of the cold. But other than that, I'm ready to go. Yesterday we were at the beach for Father's Day and I got bitten by all these little midgies, little mosquito sandflies, whatever you want to call them, at the beach. And so I'm not looking the very best right now on camera, and it's really hot. It's like 35 degrees, so yes, all the good things are happening today. So the main thing is yes, we're going to the hospital and hopefully they will get things moving for me and we're gonna get this little girl out and about.
Yeah, if it's not today, it's tomorrow, that's for sure.
Yeah, if it's not today, it's tomorrow. Yeah. Also, another thing, I don't want to say that it could be possibly tomorrow as well, because like I said, I do have a head cold, and hospitals here are very strict when it comes to flus and colds, so they might just turn around and not do it at all. So that's a downfall about it. So I just thought we'll just check in with you guys just to let you know that's what's happening. But yeah, at the moment it's like a 50-50 really. But they don't want to keep the baby in there much longer, because I don't think we've ever done the sit down talk about how the baby's showing.
You see that?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, almost run off the road.
Wow, that's crazy. Excuse me. They because the baby's actually showing like she's really big at the moment, so I don't really want to scare anyone or anything like that. But yeah, they do want me just to have the baby a bit earlier than the 40 weeks marks. I'm actually 39 weeks as we speak, as of today. So yeah, they just want to bring her out so that there's no complications or anything like that with anything. So yeah, wish me luck guys, wish us luck.
Yeah, man.
And and we'll let you know what happens when we get to the hospital. Alright. As I came in, I went to what do you call it here? As I came in, I went to admissions to pick up my forms. Hear the heartbeat, guys. Hear the heartbeat.
You sure? Oh, is that right? So that's the heartbeat. Wow.
Okay guys, so we got some dinner at the hospital.
Yeah.
We got some news to tell you though. It's lamb.
Yeah.
So it's not happening today guys.
Yeah, not today.
Due to staff's shortages, whatever.
Yeah, we'll let you know soon.
We'll let you know when we get out. Hey guys, so we're back. Excuse me. So we're back, and I'm back from the hospital. So it turns out that the doctor came and had a chat with me, and it turns out that apparently they're understaffed, and so they can't really do anything for me today in regards to me staying the night there and hopefully getting the labour started tomorrow, because apparently they have 3 births tomorrow plus a cesarean and a whole bugger things, and anyway, and so therefore I have to come in Wednesday.
Yeah.
But I have to give him a call tomorrow.
I guess everything happens for a reason, you know, as you said. So it's just one doctor, and yeah, and three births.
Yeah.
The doctor have to give, and it's a safety like protocol, I guess. So, and they are cesareans, right?
One's a cesarean.
One's a cesarean, and so.
And I think one's a cesarean and 3 are normal.
Yeah, so.
Something like that.
You know, it's just, I mean, they're the professionals, they know what they're doing, so we just follow their guide, and, you know, yeah, if she comes earlier, you know, that is, you know, destined. But if not, we'll just wait until that time.
Yeah, so, as Babe said, definitely it happens for reasons. We're not going to rush anything because in real reality, she's not really due until she wasn't due until the 9th.
Yeah.
And so therefore we're not rushing it. Although the midwife nurse did an internal examination, and it means that I'm quite there, but they can break my waters very easily, basically. So there's not much to it but break my water. So Wednesday they're going to do that. Straight in, as I go in, they'll break my water, and then I'll be able to, you know, give birth to our beautiful girl. But before then, hopefully it happens naturally, and that we don't have to, you know, get anything else done. So it's a good thing.
True.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'll call them up, the midwife, and see what they want me to do. I'm super tired, I'm super hungry, and as I said earlier on, I wasn't feeling the very best, so I was very scared to begin with, because I do have like a little cold going on, and as you see, I couldn't talk for like a couple of minutes ago. But yeah, and while I'm here, I just wanted to say thank you so much. Don't want to mention your name, but someone donated something for Ireland for his birthday, so I really appreciate you. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for that. We never ask or beg, or we never ask for anything on this channel. But we are very grateful, and we appreciate you know, everything that everyone has, even the comments. You know, the comments have been lovely. We read them. We don't always reply, we've been busy, but we do really appreciate everybody's love and you know, honesty as well. So big up yourselves, you know, everybody. Anyways guys, we're going to close this off now. Go home and see our little island boy. And yeah, we'll keep you updated. Alright, so take care. Stay tuned.
Oh my god, guys, I know I'm not supposed to show you on camera, but my wife is in the shower right now.
Just for a guy, so yay!
Literally, we're gonna have to go to the hospital right now. It's serious. So she said there's water coming out, so I put a towel. I'm nervous.
It's alright, Ashton, it's alright. Bring the chewing gum from yesterday.
No, I don't even know where it's at.
Where's my hospital bag?
They're at the back.
Okay.
Today's the day, guys.
Oh, you got the camera on.
Yeah,
sorry.
Today's the day. Sorry.
Hey guys, today's the day.
Yeah. Shouldn't even be speeding, but.
Don't speed, as I'm not in pain as yet, fully pain.
Yeah.
Just, this is freaking cough that's really annoying me though, but she keeps descending. I think this girl's coming down further. I feel like, yeah, this is the day. Right? It was so funny because I just sat on the toilet and I needed to just go, and I felt like I needed to go do a poo.
Yeah.
And then when I got up, I just felt like a gush of water come out with like, you know, like little bits of mucus or blood or whatever you want to call it. So it's TMI. Sorry guys, too much information, but yeah, that's it. Is what it is. Yeah, I have to ring Island School. Oh, oh, sorry. I'm gonna have to beep that shit out. Oh,
What's happening?
oh, oh, damn it, girl, no.
Is she kicking or it's down
Oh,
there?
it's down there. It's, oh, Chandra.
Almost there, babe. Oh, Sean, you ready to see the world now, eh?
Oh, out of nowhere, just a contraction, yo. Like, the won't happen 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere, it's coming now. Like, slowly they're coming. So, yeah. It's happening, guys. It's happening.
Oh, Sean, ready to kick up a storm, you know? Tidal waves, tsunami.
She's making her way down there. I felt that. That was hot.
So they have to have that big bright light on them.
Hello. I'm in pain, ladies.
That's 3 times. 3 times, Dave.
Can't find a name.
3 times.
Yeah. Oh.
belly not big anymore?
No, it's not big anymore.
Let me see. Let me see.
It's not big anymore. It's just flabby now. I've got to work out.
No, I can. No, I can.
Now you can lay on your belly. You can lay on my belly. We can talk, we can rumble, and we can tackle together. Now we can go anywhere we want to do. Okay? I
Okay.
love you so much. Look after yourself, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Gorgeous girl. Congratulations.
Get the babe to brush her teeth, you know? Yeah, because she cannot get out of bed.
How beautiful she is, guys.
Hot yellow ocean.
Let Mama squeeze some more in here. Come here.
Who's that? Who's this? Ocean and Island interacting. She can't see. What are you doing?
I'm moving at her.
Oh, okay. She's in this blue little crib thing lighting here for a jaundice, just to bring her levels down. Yeah. That's like a good bib. That's Papa. Daddy.
She's so beautiful, man.
Whose toes are they? Check, the nappy's right. Yep, nappy's good. I'll just go hands like this. Pop her in there like that. I'll leave what nurse will have to connect her back up on the Okay, darling, it's Mummy. It's okay. Mummy's annoying you.
Just had her feed now, going back to bed.
Okay, I'll put this over her eyes. Just for that blue light. Alright, we'll see you soon, darling, okay?
Put on your shades.
Put on the little glasses. The nose okay? Not blocked?
It's good.
I'm sorry, sweetie. Okay. That's alright. That's alright. Okay. Okay. Come here. Did that sound like a fart? No. Cheeky little girl. Oh, that's not it. Is that it?
Watch this one.
No, it's a small one. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so we've got her in the room finally. We don't know for how long because they're trying to clear up the issue with the jaundice. But yeah, there's our little girl.
Yeah, it's super cute.
She just did a big caca.
Yeah, you can hear it.
There is this boy. Island boy.
Staying here tonight.
Yes, hopefully it's our last night in hospital, guys. I'm over this place, to be honest.
Literally the weekend now.
We've only got one more week with her. Who will you do?
Yeah, go back to work.
The ocean. Oceans apart.
Day
Look
after
at those chubby
day.
cheeks.
Yeah, reach one out.
Reach for the skies.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say wagwan.
Can say wagwan because it's baby.
She's full of milk, guys.
Because
full of
you
milk.
can say goo gaga.
Cuckoo caca.
Yeah.
She's fully observing what's happening there. It's a camera.
Hey, chubby girl.
Let me really go.
Alrighty. It's good. You happy, Island?
Yeah.
You got yourself a sister.
Yeah, watching what on the TV. Good boy. Good boy. My socks are white there. My socks are white there.
Where?
Behind me. On the floor.
No, ocean. You're gonna get ocean socks.
Did I want to put your socks on?
Alright.
Oh, there was that
We go home now. It's okay. Oh, my cute girl.
one. Aim now is to put her to sleep so that they can come and do her hearing test.
Yeah.
Once her hearing test is done, you can go.
Yeah.
That's the aim.
It's look at me.
I don't have socks for what I did. I didn't bring them. That's alright, we'll just wrap it up in the blanket I've got in the bag and
Yeah.
take it to the car. Arlene, you finished with this?
Yeah.
So this means we get to go home.
Yeah.
Nice, finally.
Nice, finally.
It's Saturday. Alright, so everything, I put everything in the car and yeah, we're heading out now. Finally, eh, babe? Finally. Ocean first time in a lift. It's gotta be a lot of firsts.
And flight. Remember, Ocean's going to go on a flight.
True.
No wonder where to next.
Yep.
Wow. You wonder, hey Ocean girl.
Ready to roll. Let's go home. You did great, my love. You did great.
Yeah. A few, you know. Still tired as hell, but you know, it doesn't matter. It's whatever.
Alright.
I'll catch up.
Yeah, man. So we'll close off this video for today.
Get my strength back.
Yeah. Our baby girl is going home.
Home, sweet home.
Yes.
God.
My wife made it through alive, nothing happened to her. Everything good, you know, so yeah. Yeah, man.
Thank you guys for all your prayers and your well wishes.
Yeah, support.
And support.
Yeah, man.
Because they really did work.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
From my heart.
Give thanks.
Alright.
Blessings.
No more kids.
Yeah.
Gotta check on Ocean.